Most people get this wrong. They think all credit cards are the same. But the surprising truth about the NAB Rewards Platinum credit card is that it's specifically designed for people who want to earn points on everyday spending while enjoying premium perks. The NAB Rewards Platinum earns points on everyday purchases, like groceries, fuel, and online shopping. Points can be redeemed for flights, gift cards, merchandise, or even cash back. One unique advantage is the flexibility of their rewards program. You can transfer points to several airline and hotel partners, which makes it ideal for frequent travelers. Another standout feature is the travel and purchase protection. The card includes travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty on eligible purchases. This adds value, especially if you travel often or buy electronics and high-ticket items. The surprising truth is that the annual fee is offset if you use the card strategically. NAB often offers bonus points for new cardholders, and by concentrating spending on categories that earn higher points, you can quickly make the rewards outweigh the cost. Eligibility does require a good credit score and stable income. The card isn't aimed at people just looking for a no-fee option. It's meant for those who plan to leverage rewards and benefits consistently. In conclusion, the NAB Rewards Platinum credit card is perfect for people who want a flexible rewards program combined with premium protections and travel perks. If used strategically, it can be a powerful tool to maximize value from everyday spending. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to make the most of rewards and benefits.